Hey J babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be creating this Lady Gaga look inspired by the Rain on Me music video. I hope you guys enjoy. First, I am going to use Benefit Cosmetics Brow Tint to brush out my eyebrow hair. Ever since I started using this product, I completely fell in love. It gives my eyebrows such a defined look and it makes it look so natural. I would definitely recommend this product to everyone. So Benefit Cosmetics Eyebrow Contour Pro is a game changer. Everything in one, and it's like perfect to take it on the go. First, I am using that darker shade to fill in the ends of my eyebrows. Then I am going on with a lighter shade from the middle of my eyebrows towards the inner area. This helps make the eyebrows look more natural and defined. Once I am done shading in my eyebrows, I am going to highlight it and blend it out with a mini blending sponge. Before applying eyeliner, I am going to prime my eyelids with Ulta Beauty's Matte Eye Primer. So in this look, I am going to create a sharp wing with black eyeliner. I am using a small angled brush and drawing out my wing with a gel eyeliner just because I feel like this gives me more control when creating it. With Fenty Beauty's White Liquid Eyeliner, I will start with outlining the inner areas of my eyes and working my way out. This look is actually very hard to create, so I thought the best way was to just draw out the white wing and coloring it in afterwards. This will also help me create a lesser mess and also help me fix any mistakes along the way. As you guys can see, I am attaching the eyeliner together by connecting the upper line to the lower one before coloring it in. This will help the process go by easier, so I would definitely recommend for you guys to do this before doing anything additional. After the eyeliner, I am priming my face with Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Spray. I am in love with Fenty Beauty's Contour Trio. It's like amazing and I literally think it's so easy to blend. I feel like I can never go back. The contour sticks are so smooth and it feels so soft when I apply it onto my skin. If you guys are really trying to find a really good contour kit, this is the one. Too Faced highlighter and bronzer duo is one of the best purchases that I made. First of all, it smells so good. It smells like pineapples. And secondly, the shades are so pretty and it literally makes my face glow. So if you guys are looking for something worth purchasing, this is it. So we can't forget about the highlighter. I am highlighting my face with Fenty Beauty's highlighting stick that is included in the Contour Trio set that I was talking about earlier. Before finishing the look, I am lining my lips with Morphe's lip crayon in shade ASAP. Once that is done, I applied Kylie's Cosmetics matte lipstick. This has a nude shade to it, but also the glossy effect, which I really like, so I thought it would be perfect to finish off the look. I am setting my face with Morphe's setting spray. The spray smells so good and it locks in my makeup all day. If you guys are looking for a good setting spray, this would be it. And that finished off today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.